your account settings, you can find a button called Storybuilder. Click on that, and you're gonna be redirected to the dashboard of Storybuilder. Here you can find your projects, licenses, and team members. Click on Add New Project to create a new entry. Every entry can be opened, duplicated, and for sure it can be deleted. Please click on the gear wheel icon. Now you can change the project name, and you can choose an avatar from the drop-down list. An avatar is needed to open a project always. The project key cannot be changed and is generated for later implementations. Please hit Apply. As you can see, there are some information about your project available. When it was modified, the project key, how many scripts are included, the amount of TTS usage, which character has been chosen, the status, and the domain. Select your project and click on the Open Folder icon to open the project in Storybuilder. Storybuilder is starting, loads your assigned avatar, and builds up the interface. The avatar is already moving in idle mode, and will automatically be in speak mode, while speaking. This behavior can be overwritten with other motions at any time. That is absolutely great. In that way you can concentrate on your content. Now let's have a closer look at the interface. The main menu offers a general navigation. You can go back to the dashboard clicking on the home icon. The cloud icon will save your project on the server. The gear wheel icon opens a pop-up showing the project settings for aspect ratio, background color, and a website as background. The code icon offers a code for implementing your project into a website. On the right, you can see the name of the project and the currently selected script. Above you can see the community, shop, and your account. The community link will offer our blog, forum and online documentation. Use the shop link if you want to get new assets. Using your account button you can log out at any time. There are some panels on the left, middle, right, and bottom, including many tabs. The left, right and bottom panels can be maximized and minimized using the Alt key, combined with the numbers from 1 to 4. Additionally, you can click on the panel buttons to have the same usage. The panel in the middle shows a preview running constantly. This preview shows all avatars and objects in 3D in real time. On the left, you can find the tabs for resources, hierarchy, scripts, and pages. The tab Resources includes folders for predefined motions and emotions, plus pre-configurable cameras. In later versions of Storybuilder, there will be more content for animations, videos, sounds, avatars, objects, events and GUI elements also. Furthermore, you will be able to upload content. The tab Hierarchy gives a representation of the current objects in the 3D scene. The tab Scripts shows scripts which contain animation instructions for an avatar or object. The tab Pages shows pages which save the current state of the GUI layout, including interactivity. You can define in real time the speech, including an automatic lip sync for the avatar's face, the movement of the body, and what happens in the scene. This is done using the timeline. It consists of tracks for TTS voice, sounds, motions, emotions, cameras and events. From the tab Resources, these elements can be placed on the timeline track, using drag and drop, or double click. In that way, an interactive environment can be created easily with no coding skills. On the right you can find the tab Properties. The look of that tab will change depending on the selected element in the timeline. You can change some property values for your needs. Now let's see the avatar in action. In the timeline you can use the play button to run a script.
Hello, my name is Gloria and this is my first online project.
Use the stop button to cancel the running script. The avatar reacts depending on the used elements for each track. That was a short overview of Storybuilder. The next tutorials will cover editing Storybuilder projects in depth. Let's wrap up this video and see you in the next tutorial.